The Coolant Crusaders. Rajesh, a seasoned CNC engineer, sighed. Another machine down. Coolant levels were off, and the tools were wearing out too fast. This is costing us time and money, he grumbled. Just then, Priya, a bright young engineer, walked in. She observed the scene. Coolant problems again, Rajesh? It seems like a constant battle here. Priya smiled. What if I told you there's a smarter way? Meet FluidEdge, your coolant's best friend. It monitors everything in real time. FluidEdge's dashboard showed coolant concentration, pH, and temperature at a glance. It even predicts issues before they happen, preventing costly downtime, Priya explained. With FluidEdge, they could optimize coolant life, reduce waste, and extend tool life. No more guessing games, Rajesh. Just efficient operations, Priya added. But what about mixing? That's where Mojito 4.0 comes in, Priya announced. Our automated automotive coolant mixing unit ensures perfect, consistent blends every single time. Mojito 4.0 eliminated manual errors and ensured the precise coolant-to-water ratio. No more inconsistent batches or wasted concentrate, Rajesh exclaimed, finally understanding. With FluidEdge managing and Mojito 4.0 mixing, their machines ran like never before. Productivity soared, and tool changes became rare. The workshop buzzed with efficiency. Less downtime, significant cost savings, consistent coolant quality, and higher output. The benefits were clear. Their machines were happier, and so were the engineers. Thanks to FluidEdge and Mojito 4.0, Rajesh's workshop transformed. They truly understood the power of smart coolant management. To productivity, they cheered.